And the Federal Capital Territory Internal Revenue Service has warned high-income individuals who provide false information on their income to refrain from or face the wrath of the law. The acting executive chairman, Fct-Irs, Haruna Abdullahi, during a one-day tax seminar organized to increase taxpayers' education and awareness, revealed that the service would easily provide a steady annual tax income of 300 billion naira to 400 billion naira when there is improved tax filing compliance by Abuja residents.
From the topics we are discussing today, we are going to get other ways of making sure people comply. So this is why we are here today. People need to understand their civic responsibility. We see a lot of people that have dual citizenship running everywhere to go back to the countries that are to file their tax returns. And when you talk to them here, they say here is Nigeria. So we want to change that concept and perception of, because whatever you are doing outside of this country, you must do it here. And that is why we are here today. On the enforcement, from now to the end of the year, we are going to do a lot of it. All forms of enforcement will be used by the service. Okay.
And the FCT Minister, Mohammed Musa Bello, who was represented by the Mandate Secretary of the FCT Economic Planning, Revenue Generation and Public-Private Partnership, Lukman Agbola, who earlier in the speech explained that only 10% of registered residents of the FCT are contributing to the maintenance and development of the city, has described the situation as worrisome, while emphasizing on the need for tax equity for fairness and entrenchment of rule of law. The minister directed the administration to start treating tax evasion as the crime that it is.
We must begin to treat tax evasion as a crime. That is, high-income individuals who provide false information on their income should also refrain from doing so. As we are all aware, one of the canons of taxation is fairness, such that payment of tax is proportional to the income of the person. Therefore, tax should be equitable in a way that amount of tax payable should be proportional to income. The totality of internal generated revenue, IGR and FCT, including other allocation from the Federation accounts, has supported the FCT in terms of responding positively to social services such as education, healthcare, and security and infrastructure development such as roads, water, supply, and other critical development across the FCT. I hereby encourage all residents of FCT to take filing of tax returns as an obligatory and necessary step towards supporting the social infrastructure development of FCT.